Hey beautiful babes, it's your girl Sweet Angel. Welcome into the channel. Y'all, I'm excited today. I got roses and they are from Rose Forever. I don't know if you've ever heard of Rose Forever or not, but I have seen it all on social media. I've seen it on YouTube and I saw everybody getting these roses and I wanted some myself, but lucky me, I did receive an email from Rose Forever and they definitely wanted to share some of these roses with me. It is my pleasure to show them to you today. Rose Forever is a New York based rose brand and they launched their luxurious preserved rose arrangements in 2019, and since then they've been designing new bouquets made with hand-picked exquisite long-lasting roses. I got a chance to pick out the ones that I wanted. I chose these ivory roses in this square shaped box. I thought these were beautiful and I thought they would work well with the aesthetic in my beauty room. So excited. I have 9 roses. Yes, and I am too thrilled. Y'all already know girls love receiving roses. Now, I personally was not a big flower girl, have never been. The reason being is that roses will die, and these, guess what? These will be around for a long time. Listen, before I get off into the details of these roses, please note I have a discount code for you right in front of you right here. You'll get $15 off your order using my personalized discount, Sweet Angel 15. Just use my code Sweet Angel 15. Sweet Angel 15. Perfect. I know, you're welcome. And I know you will enjoy the roses just like I am enjoying mine. Now, these are made of 100% natural, fresh flowers. And Rose Forever only use natural oils to preserve the roses, and the bouquets are handcrafted by professional rose artisans. Now you can get the roses in the square shaped like I have, square shaped velvet box, or you can get a round shaped velvet box in 3 different sizes. There's the one like I have, which has 9 roses. Then you have one with 16 roses, or you can get the one with 36 roses per box. They create these roses in a diverse palette of shades, and they don't stop at standard colors, but they also manage to source darker ones like black and gray, and really special shades like gold and silver. Amazing. Hey, check out the website below. I do have all of the links down below for you so you can check it out, and also make sure you get that $15 off discount. That's a good discount for you, so check the website out and definitely don't forget the discount. Thank you so much, Rose Forever, for this collaboration, and I am super excited. And now y'all, let's get on to today's video. All right, we're here. It's 2021. What's going on in 2021? Is it gonna be the same old or what? Y'all, let me get started with what I got. The rest of the things I got for my Christmas present to myself, okay, and from hubby and all of that jazz. So y'all know, when I was cooking my apple pies, I found out and realized that, girl, I wasn't set up for baking. So I needed rolling pins. So guess what? Rolling pins it is. This one Mikey picked up at Walmart, and I wasn't able to get that off of there, but this is just the tab that was on it. And then I decided, before he even did this, I had already ordered this one from Amazon, and unfortunately it just took so long to get here that he didn't realize I had already ordered one. But I have this one, which is probably going to be my, like regular everyday use rolling pin whenever I'm baking. And I assume he just wants me to start baking some things because he remembered to give me this. And then I have this one, but let me unbox that and let you see it, and I'll just more than likely put it on display. Like, girl, she's hella pretty. Look at her. Looky here. And she's super heavy. So this is a marble one. And honey, like I said, I will probably have to just put this on display because I don't know if I'll actually be using it for everyday use. So he did the right thing, which he knows better than I in that kitchen. Y'all know Mike can do some turning around in the kitchen. So he definitely did a good thing to pick up this other one for everyday use. And I'll just put this one on display. Yeah, I like it though. I love it. Yes, and I love this one more because it's more like the real deal convenient. New Year's Eve, New Year's Eve. Yes, it is. Ha ha ha. New Year's Eve, baby, baby, New Year's Eve. Oh, yes, it is. Oh, yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's New Year's Eve, baby, baby, New Year's Eve. All right, Mikey just came from the store, and y'all know he took care of your girl with some sweet pineapple, and he brought me the watermelon, 2 watermelons. Already had that one right there. And we got some orange juice to make mimosas. Orange juice. We got some, I guess this is champagne. It's going to be looking like some champagne dry sparkling wine, but this still going to be our champagne, girl. We got some grapes. And we got some party tray we finna fix up. And we got some chicken. Woo! All right, even though it is a New Year's Eve in quarantine, guess what? We finna have our own little party up in here. Maddie's standing in line ready to do this. She can't have none of that though. But you know that's for the grown people. She just grown. She ain't grown. Official. Yes, it is. It is January the 1st, 2021. It is. And it is 2:41 p.m. And your girl is, as you can see, still in the bed. I have not made a move yet, but I'm about to. I am getting ready to get up, get the Christmas decorations moved out of the way, and I am going to, yes, get this house in order. I am. An hour and a half later, one zit later, I'm still not where I need to be. So guess what? I need to get busy. Dogs are stirred up. They whacking out there, and I'm not doing what I need to do. So I figured I would start in here since this is where all of the minor little items are. So I'll get that done and get the flowers out of here. Get the flowers out from over there. Get my little snowman. Oh, well, bear out of the way. And what else? I got the little tin men over here, whatever you call them, and my Christmas cups. So we'll start in here first. Let me do it. Well, I'm making progress. Got the decor Christmas decoration out of the beauty room. I'm getting ready to tackle this table, get those things all packed away. I have plastic bags to wrap up the glassware in. My Christmas totes are everywhere, but I'm getting everything put up. Yeah, that's fall stuff going in there. I mean, I just took the top off, trying to figure out what's in there. Mr. Snowman packed away with stuff all on top of his head. Christmas tree is ready to hit the curb. She done seen enough. Gotta take that wreath down. There's Maddie on the TV. She's watching a vlog that she had put up. Check her out, Maddie's Glam Life. And I just gotta get the wreath off the door and I'll be finished. Hey y'all, hey, what's up? What's up, beautiful babes? Yeah, Sweet Angel here. I know I've been like MIA on this channel since Vlogmas. What's wrong with me? I don't know. But I'm up and at them today, y'all. It is not even noon. It's 10 a.m. I got my face on. I got things to do today. I have things to do every day. That's what happened to me yesterday. And right now, y'all know red lipstick season is still kind of sort of here because it'll be here through February, but you know, Valentine's Day thing. But I'm getting ready to put mine away. All these lipsticks I got out. And I hope everybody's doing good because your girl is doing great. I'm doing great. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Okay. Whew. I got so many lipsticks that need to be worn or tossed. One or the other. What do I do? What do I do with them? I don't know with them. Yeah, like, y'all, yesterday, I promised myself I was going to reorganize all of my oils on the other side over there. I did that. Look what I did. I was in beast mode and I did all of that. Honey, I wasn't even bothered by nobody getting in my way yesterday. I dusted everything off. I cleaned up everything I needed to clean up. Well, I reorganized all of my oils, wiped down my shelves, and now I have them all lined up in alphabetical order, going all the way across over there. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I have this many oils. The essential oils are going to stay where they are. Get them out of the bright lights. So they're over here in the cut. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where some of these lipsticks go. I hope I've had them out so long that I've forgotten where I'm supposed to put them at. Hope I got them in the right spot. But yeah, I got into it, baby, and took care of that. I was so happy. Okay, I'm lost. I don't know where this one goes. I think I have more like it. I don't know where they're at. So that just shows you how often I go digging in these drawers over here. There we go. And that goes over here. Yeah, I made some tracks yesterday on a lot of stuff that I needed to have taken care of. And thank God, energy level was on point. I did that. I sure did. And what else we got? I don't know what this is. Wow. Baby kiss or somebody. Yeah. What's this? I gotta show y'all face. Let me know where you go. Fish find you. Where do you go? Where do you go? Let's go. Ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Maybe it's the only one that's left or whatever it is. That's crazy. Let's just put her right here until whatever wakes up. Right there. So, what today have in store? I don't know. It is what it is. I just want to say, hey, what up? How you doing? How you be? Absolutely. Today. And I don't know whether it's going up before this video or after this video, but girl, I did my jewelry haul, like let you know where I got all my jewelry from. So check that out over on Sugar Fingers. Get ready for some new nail polishes. I just got in from Madam Glam. And y'all, again, I want to thank Roses Forever for these beautiful roses. So check their website out. These roses will last forever, like forever. Well, a good year at least, okay? And I love that because that's the reason why I don't want to get no roses, flowers. They come and they go so fast. But this way, you know, I got mine for a minute until somebody probably take them away. Y'all already know who that is. Y'all know her very well. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Please like, comment, subscribe. And as always, share your girl with your world. See ya.